Hello and welcome to Interpack 2026. At Leibinger, we create smart solutions for marking and coding. 3 years ago, we launched inkjet, the only product with 5 years with no maintenance, redefining the standards of the industry. Today, we go even further. We proudly introduce 2D Jet. 2D Jet is a new product concept created to support the move to 2D barcodes and initiatives like GS1 Sunrise 2027. Many retailers and brand owners want to move quickly to 2D codes, but today they are still seeking solutions to print perfect variable 2D codes at full production speed. That is why we created 2D Jet. 2D Jet is a new coding class designed specifically for 2D barcodes. It is sharper, faster, and more versatile. It prints at resolutions up to 300 dpi, supporting production speeds up to 120 meters per minute. Works seamlessly on various materials and product shapes. 2D codes are printed directly in line, and the print head does not need to be very close to the product. And with its compact print head and smart system design, 2D Jet is easy to integrate into existing production lines. Thanks to the continuous ink supply, production runs without interruptions. 2D Jet enables the 2D barcode future starting today.